You can already read 10 kanji. I promise. 1 line, 2 lines, some 3 lines done. Count the strokes you're reading kanji. Numbers everyone. 1 stroke, 2 strokes, 3 strokes on easy math. 4 is yon, a little box. 5 is go a crossing path. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look is wearing a little hat. 7 is 7, a bending line. 8 opens like a tent. 9 curls up and 9 looks fine. 10 is a perfect plus sign. 10 the crossing of the ways. Stack them like your Lego blocks. 11, same old game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little kanji, count them proud. On menus and prices, say them loud. 1, 2, 3. Next up and down the arrow kanji.